Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope that you're all doing fine. This is Sarah with Learn Urdu with Sarah. I'm a professional language teacher and I teach online and I post videos every week, grammar videos, expression, phrases and stuff like that. Today we're going to study postpositions or prepositions. Prepositions in English are in, at, from, behind, in front. In English, what happens is the prepositions come before the noun, they're preceding the noun. So, for example, in university. But what happens in Urdu is the preposition come after the noun, and that is why they're called postposition. They come after the noun, they modify. So in Urdu or at in Urdu is may. And probably you're thinking that isn't may also I? Yes, they're actually identical in Urdu, but in English and Romanized script, I changed the spelling. So the in is may, like April, May. And I is may. May. So here you can see in university, university in Urdu, which will be translated as university may. University may. So in a sentence that would be मैं university में हूँ. मैं university में हूँ. I'm in the university. So here, as we learned in the previous lesson, that the sentence will start with the subject and with the verb मैं हूँ, and in between those put घर में. मैं घर में हूँ. मैं घर में हूँ. I'm at the house or I'm in the house. मैं बाग में हूँ. मैं बाग में हूँ, which means I'm in the park. You can also say वो बाग में है. He is in the बाग. Or he's in the park. Or you can also say we are in the park by saying हम बाग में हैं. हम बाग में हैं. Although park is very colloquial in Urdu, and so you can say park as well instead of बाग. What if you want to say I'm in Britain? You will say मैं बर्तानिया में हूँ. I'm in Britain. मैं बर्तानिया में हूँ. If you're in the store, somebody's asking you आप कहाँ हैं? Where are you? आप कहाँ हैं? You'll reply to them by saying मैं दुकान में हूँ. मैं दुकान में हूँ. दुकान means store. मैं दुकान में हूँ. I compiled all of their uses here in this table, as you can see. So the first use can be in the case of centuries. In 20th century. 20वीं सदी में. 20वीं सदी में. वो 20वीं सदी में है. वो 20वीं सदी में रहता है. He lives in 20th century. Or you can use it in the case of years. So for example, in 2002 will become 2002 में. 2002 में. Other cases, other example is 2003 में. In 2003. 2004 में. 2000, which is 2004. You can also use it in the case of seasons. So here you can see that I use spring, which is bahar. So bahar mein. Other seasons like garmiyon mein, which is in summers. Garmiya is summers, and the oblique case of garmiya is garmiyon. So garmiyon mein is in summers, or you can say in autumn, which is khiza mein. If you want to say in winters, you can say sardiyon mein, or you can also say garmi mein or sardi mein instead of garmiya and sardiyan. So the next example is months. In Urdu, all the name of the months are the same. So you can say in July as July mein, August mein. Or in Urdu, actually the pronunciation is a bit different. So August, but it's it's okay to say it in an English pronunciation. That's more colloquial. You can also use to describe part of the days here. For example, the time of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. At night would be raat mein, or here as we can see it is dopair mein. Dopair means afternoon. दोपहर में, मैं दोपहर में काम करती हूँ. मैं दोपहर में काम करती हूँ, which means I work in the afternoon. For a female, if you're a male, you'll say मैं दोपहर में काम करता हूँ. I work in the afternoon. Let's see other instances where you can use may in the case of countries, cities and states. For example, as we already discussed, London में, Chicago में, Dubai में, Saudi Arabia में, in any country. For example, Washington में, मैं Washington में हूँ. वो Washington में नहीं है. He's not in Washington. वो दुबई में है. He's in Dubai. The other example where we can use it is enclosed spaces. For example, मैं गाड़ी में हूँ. I'm in the car. जूता अलमारी में है. The shoe is in the closet. And you can use it while describing the period of time. For example, in the past, in the future, in the present. You'll say मुस्तक़बिल में, मैं मुस्तक़बिल में ये करूँगा. So here you can see that we are using the future conjugation. Karunga is the future conjugation of the verb karna, which means to do. And मैं मुस्तक़बिल में ये करूँगा. I'll do this in the future. मैं माजी में करता था. I did this in the past. Mazi means past, and karta tha is just the past habitual conjugation of the verb karna. We'll discuss all the tenses in probably coming videos. Other examples where we can use in is holidays. For example, Easter में मैं ये करता था. I used to do it in Easter or in Christmas. Christmas में, Eid में, Ramadan में, whichever holidays you want to insert here. So here in the 90s will become 90 की दिहाई में or 90s में. Both are very colloquial. You can say 90s as well as 90 की दिहाई, which is in the 90s. 90s में ये fashionable था. It is fashionable in the 90s. Let's do the next one, which is the uses. It can be used as at as well when you're describing addresses. For example, here you can see मैं नाज़िमाबाद में रहता हूँ. I live in Nazimabad. I am in Nazimabad. मैं नाज़िमाबाद में हूँ. मैं नाज़िमाबाद में हूँ. I'm in or I'm at Nazimabad. You can say that. Other than this, you can also say use it to describe waqt. Actually, the the time doesn't require any preposition. So at 8 o'clock, you don't need any at or in Urdu. You can say 8 baje, which is 8 o'clock, 9 baje, which is 9 o'clock. You don't have to say 9 baje mein or 8 baje mein. It just goes without any postposition. 8 baj rahe hain, it is 8 o'clock. 8 baje hain, it is 8 o'clock. You can use both of these sentences to describe a time. You can also use this postposition to describe any specific location. If you're in any specific location, for example, somebody is calling you, आप कहाँ हैं? You'll say, मैं airport में हूँ. मैं airport में हूँ. Or you can say, मैं station में हूँ. I'm at the station. मैं mall में हूँ. I'm in the mall. मैं सड़क पे हूँ. Or सड़क में हूँ. I'm in the road. So guys, this is the end of this video, and if you find this video helpful and useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see such content in the future. It will motivate me to make new videos and work on the grammar lessons. Have a really lovely day and goodbye. Thank you.